I want to show you guys a product that should be in every vehicle on the road today. This is the Gulu cordless tire inflator, and they were nice enough to send me this for free so I can make this video showing it to you. You can see this guy is compact, super lightweight, and you'll never have to worry about low tire pressure ever again. Tire pressure gets low enough, it's unsafe, it could damage your vehicle. We want to make sure everything's safe and sound and functioning as it should, and to do that we need correct tire pressure. Now this Gulu inflator will work on any tire you throw at it. If you have a more ordinary sized tire like I have here on my 66 Caprice, or you can use it on one of these big boy 37-inch truck tires like I have here on the Jeep. No matter what you have, the Gulu will inflate them all. Now it has different presets, so if we're inflating car tires or bike tires, or we're inflating our balls, you got to have inflated balls. You just hit that button right there. We can also manually change the PSI with our up and down arrows. Don't forget the handy dandy light in case of emergency. Now with the Gulu, you get a little pouch to hold all your stuff. You got the inflation tube, you got the charge cable, and you have a bunch of different adapters so you can inflate anything that you have. And it's so compact, when you're not using it, throw it in the glove box and it'll be ready to go. Now check out how well it handles this Caprice tire. And there we go, from 14 PSI up to 35 PSI, and that was in just over 5 minutes. Now here's the real test. If the Gulu can handle this big old monster tire, it can handle anything you throw at it. We are currently at 19 PSI, and we're going to bring it up to 35. And there we go, back up to 35 PSI. So there it is, guys. No matter what you need inflated, the Gulu has you covered. Thanks for watching.